Hi guys! Okay, today we are going to be unboxing my Allure beauty box. Sneeze intermission. And if you can tell, this box is having a hard time staying together. I got this in the mail like this, and I'm so excited to see what is inside. And it does come in an outer wrapped plastic. I do take that off because it does have my address on it. Let's just jump right into it. If you're unfamiliar, Allure beauty box is $15 a month, and you are supposed to get sample size products. However, they're supposed to be like a prestige sample size product. A lot of the times we do get full size products, but let's just jump right into it. I pulled the lid off, you open it up, and this is what it looks like. We get a little card and it says Allure beauty box, and on the back it says Anastasia Brow Wiz #1 brow product. And then you open it up and it's got all the products and a little bit about them. So we got some wrapping paper right here. Let's open this up, and oh my gosh, this is what it looks like. Super, super exciting. I'm gonna pull out the first thing I see, which is by a brand that I'm not the biggest fan of. This is Christoph Robin, and this is a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. Now, is this a hair scrub or is this a body scrub? It's a shampoo. This purifying shampoo is ideal as a detox or post-coloring treatment. Apply on wet hair, massage the scalp, lather, then rinse. Now, I just tried one of these and I didn't necessarily like it. However, this one doesn't have a scent like the other one did, so I will definitely give this a try. I'm not super over the moon excited about that, but the next thing I'm insanely excited about, this is the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And if I'm not mistaken, this is full size. What the heck? I love First Aid Beauty's like moisturizers and primers. Oh my gosh, they are absolutely amazing. And I'm almost positive this is full size. Like, let's look. Oh yeah, this is 100% full size. So excited about this. Oh my gosh, like $15, and this retails for $28. The full size of this, which I don't think this is full size, the full size retails for $53. No, honey, no. Okay, let's just pull up the next thing, which I'm super excited about. We have two Anastasia Beverly Hills products. What? This is an Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. Let's open this up. I love their packaging, the black and rose gold, and this is what it looks like. I've never tried this brow gel, so I'll definitely give it a try. I usually tend to use colored brow gels. I've never actually used a clear one, so I will definitely give that a try. Let's see. And a full size of that retails for $22, which is pretty standard for Anastasia Beverly Hills. And the next thing we have is an Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick. A full size liquid lipstick. And this is in the shade Trust Issues, which is like a deep plummy shade. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Let's open that up and swatch it because it doesn't have a smell, which is nice. Oh my goodness, that is amazing for this time of year. Super, super pretty. It's a deep plummy purple. I love shades like that. I am super excited. And the full size of that, I know for a fact retails for $20. And we just got, you guys, we've gotten 2 full size items in here. That is insane. And there looks to be another card that says, a fine palette to master the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit. We went straight to the master herself. And this says Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, $40. And then it says, what's a good daytime look I can get with this palette? And then it says, what shades are best for a subtle evening look? Is there a fail-proof, great on everyone look you can get from this palette? If I only use one shade but may want to accent it from time to time, which do you suggest? Blah, 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 blah. Just got a bunch of questions on the back. Oh my gosh, you guys. They included the palette in here. This palette retails for $40. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely stunning. I love the packaging. I have one other Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, but in a $15 box, they give us a $40 highlighting palette. What the heck? I love Allure Beauty Box. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and we will do some swatches. Let's open this up. Ooh, so pretty. Now, this is not for everyone, but I do love those fun colors. And, you know, you have your more wearable shades. Let's just do some swatches. Okay, so those are the shades. We have Blue Ice, Star, purple horoscope, pink card, lucky clover, and blue moon. Absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so excited to use that. You guys, this box is $15, and we got 3 full-size items, a sample of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid or Clear Brow Gel, and a sample of a shampoo. How can you guys beat that? That is $15 for all of this. Oh my gosh, I am in love. But that is everything we got. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys think this box was worth the $15? Oh my gosh, yes, I do. And if you guys want to sign up for this box, I will have a link in the description box down below, like I always do. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.